Hello and welcome to Smartest Home, a channel where we talk about home solutions, amazing gadgets, IoT technology and ways to make your home safer and smarter. Today I will be showing you an easy tutorial how to set up your smart camera. The first thing you want to do once you get it out of the box is just to plug the power cord in. Once you've done this, you want to download the Wulian iCam app. You want to open up your app store on your phone and you're looking for the words Wulian iCam, and it looks just like this with this light blue and then simple circle and then a smaller white circle in the center icon. Once you open this up, it will ask you to sign in or log in. I've already signed up, so you just need to sign up now, follow the prompts and then log into the iCam app. The first thing you want to do once you log in is to click on this little plus button in the corner to add your camera. The app is going to prompt you through the steps to complete this setup. The first thing it's going to ask you to do is to scan the QR code on the back of the camera. The next thing it's going to do is ask you to put in your username and password for your Wi-Fi. After this, it will ask you to click the button on the back of the camera really quickly 2 times and it will ask you if you heard a beep. Make sure you hear this beep before you click the next button. The next thing you want to do is align the QR code on the screen of the mobile phone with the camera lens about 10 to 20 centimeters away and scan it until you hear a beep button. Once this is done, the camera should be connected. If it's connected, it should show up on this main screen that says Mine. Now once it's connected, you can see the image and you should be able to see yourself staring straight at that little screen, and you can have a little wave to it or set it up wherever you'd like throughout the house. Now some amazing features of this little camera is that you can pop it anywhere. You can talk into it. Hello. You can get someone to talk into the camera and you'll be able to hear it on your smartphone anywhere in the world. You can also take screenshots and photos and save these, especially if you want to save things like your child's first step or something interesting that's happened in the house, or even for security reasons. Now as you can see, you can also change the brightness, you can change the name of the camera, and you could just have a little play around with it and see all the little things it can do. So it's that simple. That's how you can set up your smart camera. If you want more information, please check out our website www.smartesthome.com.au. All information will be in the description box below. And if you want to purchase one of these smart cameras, you can go straight to our store on our website and buy it straight from there and set it up at your home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!